and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go over a few things that I planted. I brought another hydroponic growing system, a Mufga, and the 18 pods uh, system. And we're growing beans, radishes, and beets. Hey y'all, what's up, what's up, what's up? How are y'all doing? Here is my second, my fifth hydroponic growing system. And as you know, Mufga, I have one already and it's 12 pods, I think. I'm gonna go back. Yeah, it's 12, I believe, or whatever. So this one is 18. And as you can see, the light shining. The tank holds up to 6.5 liters of water. And what I have planted here is I have some beets and the ruby queen beets, and I have the radish. So radish over here, ruby queen beets over here. And we're going to give those beets another try. So that's all that's in this garden. And stay tuned for an update. I'm enjoying my gardening. I plan on, wanting to have fruits, vegetables, and herbs of my own in my own home. So, cut the cost of shopping, at the supermarkets and everything like that, year round. So this is great. So I can't wait to see the journey of these babies. So stay tuned. Oh, I forgot the date. Today is November 9th, okay, that I started this garden. So yeah, just wanted to keep up with the time flow. Hey guys, welcome back, y'all. So this is day 3. Now I saw growth since day 2 when I checked yesterday. Today is November 12th. And remember, we started our beets and radish on November 9th. And here we have it. I don't see anything here yet. I see something, doing something. Nothing here yet. Here you see, we have a radish here. Radish growing here. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm excited, okay? And so we're going to add our nutrition shortly. So radish there. I don't see anything here yet. Or do I? I do see a little something. Okay, I don't know what's going on there. Okay, I see something. Hold on. Let me get my little tweezers. Okay, so I did pull those out. I pulled this one out. Okay, I'm gonna have one where I see 2 budding, which is one. I think I put 2 in here. So I'm gonna pull a seedling out. Pull a seedling out. Okay, we pulled that one out. And I'm going to open this up and push this down in there a little deeper in a moment. But as you can see, only one has not sprouted yet, and that's this one. Oh, actually, look at that. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, I see you. But it's really light. It was coming out of there, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna put this seedling in there and here. But everything else so far so good with our radish. All right, and then now look at our beets. I see one doing a little something going on. Let's get our beets over here. Peekaboo. Try not to pull it too much, but I want to make sure that we pull it out of there. So, and I'm gonna push it down the roots down. We have one here as well. We have one in here too that I'm gonna fix. Nothing over here. So far so good, guys. So far so good. And I'm gonna put the plant food inside, but I'm gonna, you know, be back with an update. So here we have it for our radish and beets. Day 3. I'll be back with another update. Okay, guys, so you remember our beans, right? And I did the paper towel method. I'll be back with the date. But so far, look what we got here. One went not so good. It's spoiled, but look at these roots, y'all. So I gotta find a place to put them. Yay! I'll be back. As you can see, the roots are really crazy. I just put a slit down the middle to open this up, and we're going to place the roots down in our sponge, just like that. And we're gonna put it in our pot. Okay, I'm gonna label it. We're gonna place it in our pot, y'all. All right. Day 5, y'all. November 14th. Everything is growing. I removed the caps from off of some. Now, you know, I gotta look at the day this is, but this is the beans. The beans. See, the bean here is still growing. I gotta peel off the shell, you see? I peeled off most of the shell from that one. And then when this get up there, see how this is gonna outgrow the shell? Y'all see? So once that come out of there, we'll be good. But looking good, y'all. Looking good. Looking good. Okay, we're gonna have us some beets. Okay, ruby queen beets and radish and some green beans. Oh yeah. All right, stay tuned for another update. Hey guys, so I just wanted to update you on our bush beans. We would say this is day 8. So this is day 8 of, you know, I had did the paper towel method for the beans, okay? So just to let you see what we are, and I was trying to peel off the outer part of the bean so that, you know, it can grow. So I took that off, okay? So day 8 for our bean, okay? And then let me look back here again for, I'm gonna have to plant this. See what happened? It started growing outwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in there in the sponge grow basket. Everything else is looking great. You see our radishes is doing its thing. Yes, it is. As far as our beets, so far we got 1, 2, 3. I told you I'm gonna replant that. 3. Then of course we have our beets here. So just trying to make sure everything is good. Let's see. So I don't want it to get stuck in here. Sorry if I'm all over the place. I may have to go ahead and redo this one as well. Oopsie. Just trying to make sure that they grow properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this down in the sponge, grow sponge. This is what we're looking like, y'all. All right, so there you have it. I'm gonna put this back on here. Just an update. See y'all in a little bit. It's growing so quickly. But I am so glad that all of our radishes has sprouted and doing well. So that's a plus. Okay, not bad.